The Hokey Pokey dance. Put your right hand in. Out. Hand in. Let you shake it all about. Here's the turn. Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Awesome job, friends. Your left hand. In. Out. In. You shake it all about. Here's a turn. Hokey Pokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Nice job, friends. Your right foot in. Out. Oh, shake your foot. Balance. Shake. Hokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. Now to be your left foot, please.
You put your left foot
in.
Your left foot
out.
Your left foot.
All right, balance on one foot and shake your foot. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Turn yourself around. It's all about. Nice job to be your head.
You put your head.
Lean forward.
Your head.
Lean back. Oh.
Your head.
Shake your head. Hokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. The last one, your whole self.
You put your whole
self in.
Your whole self
out.
Your whole self.
Shake your whole body. Hokey and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about. All right, the end of the song. Stretch up high, reach for the sky, and down to your toes. Squeeze your toes. Hands up high like a tree in the wind, and down to your toes. One more time. Reach for the sky, tippy toes, and down to your toes. Awesome, the Hokey Pokey dance. I love that song. Hello, middle and high school friends. For today, I thought we'd do some bowling. If you have a ball around your house, any size will work. Today I'm going to use red cups, but you may use any cups or any target that stands up that you can aim at and knock over. Remember, swing your arm. Do your best to release the ball low to the ground, or even if you need to push it off your wheelchair tray. Here we go. Yay, Mr. Dollins. Remember, you don't want the ball bouncy. That's too high. You want to try to roll it at your target on the ground. You can also try smaller size balls that you may have around your house. Right now, I'm going to try a tennis ball, aiming for my 2 red cups that are still standing. Swing your arm and release it. Have fun bowling. Thanks. Hello, middle and high school students. If you're in a wheelchair with the tray, you may push the ball off with your hands to knock down your bowling pins, or for me, my red cups. Here we go. Yay, Mr. Dollins. How many cups or bowling pins can you knock down? Have fun and be creative. Thanks. The second gross motor skill I'd like for you to try and perform is to throw or push your ball at a target. Again, I'm using red cups. You may use any target that stands up that you can knock over. Smaller balls are helpful. Hold your ball with your fingers up high as best you can. Adapt and modify what works best for you. And aim and throw. Yay, Mr. Dollins. Have fun throwing like a baseball player. Again, modify it as you see fit. You can use different size balls. You can use your left hand, your right hand to throw or push in a forward motion. Thanks.